Well, good morning from Sedona, Arizona. We just got done with a big storm, and I'm right here at Bell Rock and Courthouse.
I know. I got my ice cleats in.
We've got about 14 or 15 inches of snow total, and everything is covered in snow. Looks beautiful. Real pretty. Pretty. So I think the big storm is over, but I just had to take a couple quick pictures of how beautiful Sedona is right after a nice snowstorm. And peaceful. They have closed the hiking trails, but they are going to reopen them probably in the next couple days. So there's Bell Rock right there, and then you've got Courthouse Rock. Both really awesome hiking trails and biking trails. So come visit us in Sedona. Go to sedona.org to book your next vacation. We would love to see you in summer, winter, and enjoy all this beautiful scenery. Chat with you soon from Sedona. See you soon.